Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best video cameras of 2024. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone who loves capturing memories, we've got you covered. Let's start with our top pick. Our best overall pick is the Panasonic Lumix S5 II mirrorless camera. Why this camera, you ask? Well, Panasonic has really outdone themselves with this one. The Lumix S5 II packs a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, giving you stunning high-resolution images and 4:2:2 10-bit video recording. One of its key upgrades is the phase hybrid autofocus. It's fast, accurate, and really shines when you're working with challenging lighting or multiple moving subjects. Perfect for capturing those fast-paced moments. For videographers, the Active IS technology is a game changer. It stabilizes your footage, even when you're walking, which is essential for those dynamic shots. And get this, it supports unlimited video recording thanks to its efficient heat dispersion mechanism, meaning no more overheating issues. Plus, with 14+ stop V-Log/V gamut capture and real-time LUT color grading, you're all set for top-tier cinematic quality. All in all, the Lumix S5 II is the ideal blend of portability, power, and pro-level features. Let's move on to our next favorite camera. Next up, we have the Panasonic Lumix GH5M II, a camera that's built for hybrid creators. Whether you're into shooting video, photography, or live streaming, this one does it all. The GH5M II takes everything you loved about the original GH5 and adds some serious upgrades, including live streaming capabilities. That's right, you can now stream both wired and wirelessly, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor shoots. It even has USB power delivery, so no need to worry about battery life cutting your stream short. What makes this camera ideal for pros is its unlimited 4K 60p recording with various formats, including 4:2:2 10-bit for incredible color depth. You can also record internally while simultaneously outputting to an external recorder via HDMI. And for photographers, the V-Log-L, Cinelike D2/V2, Monochrome S presets are designed to cut down your editing time by giving you cinematic color profiles straight out of the camera. All in all, the GH5M II is a hybrid powerhouse that's hard to beat. Let's move on to our next camera. The Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro is a filmmaker's dream, packing professional-level features into a compact design. Its 6K Super 35 sensor offers stunning resolution and 13 stops of dynamic range, giving you that cinematic look with incredible detail, even in tricky lighting. With a Canon EF lens mount, you can use your favorite lenses, and the built-in ND filters make adjusting exposure on the go super easy. The 1500 nit HDR touchscreen ensures you can see everything clearly, even in bright sunlight. Recording in Blackmagic RAW or ProRes gives you flexibility in post-production, while the dual native ISO handles low-light situations like a pro. Plus, it's equipped with XLR inputs for top-notch audio, making this camera perfect for those looking to capture high-quality video with professional sound. It's a powerhouse that's perfect for serious creators who want pro features without the bulk. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is the ultimate vlogging camera for creators who want portability without sacrificing quality. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second, delivering crisp, smooth footage that's perfect for vlogs, action shots, and even cinematic sequences. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures your videos stay steady, no matter how much you're moving. With face and object tracking technology, it locks onto your subject and keeps focus, making sure every moment is captured with precision. The combo also includes a high-quality mic for crystal-clear audio, eliminating the need for external mics in most situations. Whether you're out for casual photography or professional vlogging, this small, pocket-sized camera packs a punch with fast focusing and high-end features that help you create polished content on the go. perfect for those looking to elevate their video production with ease and convenience. The GoPro Hero 13 Black takes action cameras to the next level with its impressive 27-megapixel photo capability and 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, delivering stunning clarity and ultra-smooth footage for all your adventures. Whether you're surfing, hiking, or capturing everyday moments, this waterproof camera is designed to go anywhere you do. The Hero 13 is compatible with HB series lenses, allowing for even more creative flexibility in capturing wide-angle shots or close-up action. The bundle includes an extra Enduro 1900 mAh Li-ion battery, which offers longer recording times, especially in cold conditions, so you'll never miss the action. Plus, with a 128GB Extreme micro SDXC memory card, you'll have ample space to store all your high-quality videos and photos. Perfect for extreme sports enthusiasts, travelers, or anyone looking to document life in ultra-high definition. The Hero 13 is your go-to for professional-level content creation in any environment. And that wraps up our list of the best video cameras for 2024. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing life's best moments, these cameras are guaranteed to deliver top-notch performance and stunning visuals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more reviews for the latest tech.